Good morning, students. We had been discussing about our second chapter, acids, bases, and salt, and we had learned what are indicators in our previous classes, right? What are indicators? Indicators are the substances which can be used to identify whether a substance is acid or base. Okay, and we have learned about two natural indicators. First one is turmeric solution. What is turmeric solution? A turmeric solution can be used as an indicator. How it can be identified whether a substance is acid or base using turmeric indicator. Turmeric indicator will turn basic substances into red, and if you have added an acidic substance or a neutral substance into turmeric solution, there will be no change. Okay, so we can identify whether a substance is acid or base using a turmeric solution. Next one is China rose indicator. China rose indicator can also be used as an used to test whether a substance is acid or base. China rose indicator will turn acidic substances into magenta dark pink and basic substances into green. So if there is any change takes place, we can identify whether a substance is acid or base. Okay, today we are going to discuss some of the activities given in your textbook. Okay, we are going to find out, we are going to discuss how turmeric solution and China rose indicators are used to test whether some substances acids or bases. Good morning, students. Let us discuss one activity from our textbook, effect of turmeric solution on the following substances. We know that turmeric turns basic substances into red. Turmeric turns basic substances into red, and there won't be any change in color when acidic substance is added into it. Okay, when turmeric solution is added into acidic or neutral substances, there won't be any change. Okay, it will be yellow in color, but when turmeric solution is added into basic substances, it will become red in color. That's how we identify whether a substance is acid or base using turmeric solution. Okay, so let us discuss some substances and what happens if turmeric solution is added into it. First one is lemon juice. Lemon juice consists of citric acid. An acid is present in lemon juice, so that when you have added turmeric solution into it, there will be no change. Okay, and since there is no change, it can be a neutral substance or an acidic substance, and it is an acidic substance. Okay, second one, orange juice. Orange juice also consists of citric acid, and if turmeric solution is added, there won't be any change, and it is acidic in nature. Okay, vinegar. Acetic acid is present in vinegar, and since it is an acid, there won't be any change when turmeric solution is added. Okay, and milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is a basic substance, and the turmeric solution will turn the substance into red. Okay, and it is a basic substance. Baking soda. Baking soda, from the name itself you should understand it's a basic substance. Okay, when baking soda is mixed with turmeric solution, it will become red because it is basic in nature. Lime water. Lime water is also, actually lime water is calcium hydroxide. It is a basic substance. Okay, and since it is a basic substance, when turmeric solution is added, it turns into red, basic. Now next one is sugar. Sugar is actually a neutral substance. When turmeric solution is added into a neutral substance, there won't be any change, so it can be an acidic or a neutral substance, and it is neutral. Okay, common salt. Common salt is also a neutral substance. When turmeric solution is added into it, there will be no change, and from which we should understand whether it is acidic or neutral, and it is neutral. Okay, so that's all about the change in color when turmeric solution is added into these substances. Now let us understand what happens if China rose indicator is added into various substances like shampoo, lemon juice, soda water, sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, vinegar, and sugar solution, common salt solution. Okay, let's see what happens if China rose indicator is added into the solution. First one is shampoo. Shampoo has a milky color at the initial stage, and when we have mixed with China rose indicator, it will become green in color. That means it is basic in nature. Okay, it has turned into green. That means it is basic in nature. Lemon juice. Lemon juice consists of citric acid, or as I already told you, and it is dirty white in color, and it will turn China rose indicator will turn this substance into magenta. That means it is an acid. Okay, soda water. Soda water is colorless at the initial stage, and when we have added China rose indicator, it will turn into green. Okay, so it is a basic substance. Next one, fourth one, sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, sodium bicarbonate solution. It is colorless at the initial stage, and when we have added China rose indicator into it, it will become green. That means it is a basic substance. Vinegar, as I told you already, vinegar is an acidic substance, and at the initial stage it is colorless, but later when we have added China rose indicator, it will become magenta. Okay, that means it is an acidic substance. Then next one is sugar solution. Sugar solution is a neutral substance, so it is colorless at the initial stage, and there will be no change when we have added China rose indicator, because it is a neutral substance. Okay, the last one is common salt solution, that is also neutral in nature, so that there will be no change when we have added China rose indicator. Okay, so these are the substances which can be identified whether it is acid or base using China rose indicator. Clear?